Penny, dropping them everywhere. Today, Penny and I are going to make some bread and butter muffins, which is very misleading because they're not actually muffins. It's bread and butter pudding in a muffin case using leftover croissants. So I think these muffin cases are keeping her quite busy, which is probably helpful for me because it means that I can get on with making the custard. So maybe I'll always do food in muffin cases now. There you go. So we need 3 eggs. There we go. We're going to use a bit of really delicious, full-fat, creamy milk. Some double cream. You all right over there, Penny?
Yeah.
Yeah. So these are like straight treat. I would do these on the weekend just for fun. So I'm not expecting to get huge amounts of goodness into them. I'm just doing something that I know that they're going to enjoy and I'm going to use up some leftovers. Oh, do you want one? You want one? Yeah, now you're interested. Oh no, don't put those in there. Just 7. I like to add a little bit of nutmeg. There we go, not too much. And also vanilla. So this is like a little chocolate orange. There we go. Now, oh Penny, you've done a wonderful job. Let's see whether we can get you. Oh, should we break it in? You just put enough. Oh, thank you. You've really got the knack of this. You just need to put enough in that it's all coated. You want no help. No help. So we're gonna give it a big old mix. I'm just gonna grab a bit of caster sugar. Penny, do you want to try and put it in? This may or may not work. Put it in. Feel much more tasty. Right, Penny, we're gonna put these in the oven. Gubba. I think that means yes. Here we go. There we go. Yes. That's how you can tell they're done. They're kind of like a baby's bum. Oh yeah. Can you blow, Penny? That's it. Come on, blow. I think she's blowing out of her nose. Yeah, that is a perfect snack. Put that in your pocket. Keep your hands warm.